Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can refresh your weekly selection in Heartopia. So go to the store, go to the weekly selection, and there's this button here. If you don't see it, then you must complete all of your resident quests first, especially the weekly request, I think. So once you're done with the weekly request, you are able to refresh it if you don't like the options you have in store. I quite like mine, but I don't know if I'm gonna buy anything if I'm being honest. So let's just refresh it and press confirm. And we got these items, which are super cute as well. But yeah, that is pretty much it really for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!